So what did you guys think of Hop on Pop? It's a good book, isn't it? If you like that book, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't really like it, just give me a thumbs down. What'd you think? All right, so you guys, today we're gonna be talking about our long vowels. And before I kind of tell you exactly what long vowels are, I want you to think about the words in our story. So think about the words you heard. What did you notice about them? Put your thinking caps on, guys. If that helps you, put your thinking caps on. Boom, like we do in class. What did you notice? Did you notice that there was a lot of rhyming words? I did, like hop and pop, which we know that Dr. Seuss loves to rhyme. What else did you notice? I noticed that a lot of our words were short words, small words, just 3-letter words, like cup and hop and pop. We had little words. And is there anything else you guys noticed about our words? Did you guys notice maybe that there were some sounds that were maybe doing most of the work in their words? Did you guys notice that? And what I mean by that is, I'm gonna show you an example, okay? If we have the word cup, let's sound it out together. Cup, cup. So our middle sound, the vowel, is the which is what we talked about last week. Last week we talked about our middle sounds. So we have the Now guys, what if I take out the U and I add an A? Do we still have cup or do we have a different word? That's right, we have a different word. What's our new word? What's our new word? Can you tell me? Right, it's cap. So let's sound it out. Cap. So we have a whole new word, cap. Now notice our C and our P stayed the same. They still made the K and the P sound. But these middle sounds changed and it became a new word. So what if I took my first word, cup, and I took away my U and I added an O? What's our new word? Right, it's cap. P. Cap. So what I want you guys to notice is that the middle sound of a word decide how the word will sound. Because look, our C and our P still stayed the same. It still made the same sounds. But when we changed our middle vowel, it changed the word completely. And that's why, you guys, vowels are so important. They're in every single word that you read or write, and they decide how the word will be pronounced or said. So let's go over some examples. And you guys know your short vowel sounds are for A, I, So you know your short vowel sounds. Those are the ones we learned at the beginning of the year. And here's a little chart that Miss D printed out for us so that we can kind of see the difference. So we have our short vowels here and our long vowels. So here's our short vowels, our So we know those. You guys are pros at those. Now our long vowels say their name. So a long vowel, the A will say the A sound, like in grapes. Can you guys say it with me? Let's sound it out. Grapes. You guys hear the A sound in grapes? Good job. Let's try this one. Feet. Eat. Feet. Do you guys hear the E there? E. It says its name. What sound do you guys think the long I makes? If it says its name, what do you think it makes? What sound? Make a guess. Right, it says I, like in kite. Kite. What about O? It says its name, right. O, like in boat. B-O-T, boat. Good job. And our last one is U. The long U says U, like in glue. G-L-U, glue. Good job. Now you guys may be wondering, if I see a word, how do I know if it's a long vowel or a short vowel? Well, here's some things that will help you guys. So short vowels, they normally happen when a vowel is placed next to a consonant, just like this. So what is our word? K-I-T, kit. So this is our word, kit. Now, long vowels happen when you have a word that ends in E. So if I take kit, and I have my marker here, and I add an E to it, do I still have kit or do I have a new word? What do you guys think? If you said there's a new word, you're right. This E at the end makes this I a long vowel. So what is our new word then? So we have K, and this is a long vowel. Remember, long vowels say their name. So K, I, T, kite. And this guy, which we've talked about in class too, and we're gonna talk about more of this, we're gonna kind of get more in depth next week. This is our magic E. He's silent. He doesn't make a sound, but he turns this I into a long vowel. So that's how you know that this I is a long vowel, because there's a magic E at the end. Or guys, another way long vowels are created is when you have two vowels together. And if you guys remember our two vowel walking song, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. And remember, it says its name, so E, f, eat. Or, this is a better one, I think, because they're both E's. What if I had this word? This word is boat. B-O-T. I don't hear the E sound in boat, or I'm sorry guys, I don't hear the A sound in boat. Do you? I just hear the O. And here's our rule that we learned about. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So in this word, it's gonna be the O, and the long vowel says its name, O. Good job, guys. So for today, all you're gonna do is just go ahead and watch our vowel song down below, which we watched in class. I know you guys love it. You've always asked me to play it over and over again, so we'll watch it just one more time, and then that's it for today. And then on Wednesday, we're gonna work on our long A sound. We'll have a little poem for you that we're gonna read together, and then I'll have a small activity for you to do. And then on Friday, we'll work on our long E sound. So good luck, guys. Bye.